That's your prototype, the air-cooled photovoltaic panel.
And then,
That breadboard.
and then it just nailed us.
Dude, it did.
Developmental stages, huh, Joe?
It was
It's like a long story.
Nice, man.
Just followed us, I guess.
Let the calculations begin.
Yeah. I'm amazed at how much this is actually pushing.
Mm-hmm.
Each of the fans is pushing 76 kg per meter, or what, Newton, kg per cm.
Uh-huh.
So online research says 51 is all we need.
Sweet.
So we're above that, but we need to be because it's because it changes.
You travel some distance, huh, Will?
What's that?
You travel some distance to get here for this.
Yeah,
summer
Pennsylvania,
practice.
yes, sir.
Yeah.
I did, yeah. I think it's about 2,400 miles, as a matter of fact. But
Goodness.
it's worth it to meet you, Jonathan.
Hey, oh, my pleasure. Also, Will.
Looking forward to working with you in the fall on geothermal
Yeah.
as well. Yes, sir.
Excellent.
Just working on the design here
Uh-huh. There we go.
for our project. This is one of our, actually two of our PV systems. Two of the modules will actually feed the 12-volt charging station, and two of the modules will feed cooling fans, which are designed to actually cool the PV panels and make them more efficient.
Mm-hmm.
Panels here, it looks good on paper. Actually, are going to supply energy through a solar charge controller to a 12-volt charging station that we hope everybody can use for their iPods and their mobile devices while working in the trailer.
Mm-hmm.
And then these two modules will supply energy through a charge controller to a thermal switch connected to these fans that Robert's team's working on. These fans are designed to cool the PV panels to make them more efficient.
Nice. Good work, Will.
Thanks.
You said these were already cut to length though, right?
Yep.
Wind turbine trailer.
You'll have to play with it a little bit with your 45 or your 90 on the outside, and then tack it.
Yeah.
And once it's tacked, then you'll just have to work on keeping it square while you weld it.
Right.
Getting ready for the air
Well, both inside out.
compressor dump circuit.
Just let 'em out.
Excess energy will go into the air compressor, into the tank
Well, the panel's not going to get all the way
for
over.
storage.
Not really, no.
And that way you're just.
Yeah. You look great. You know how to do this. Your snoz is a little shiny, but not.
Hey, Reeve, what's up, man?
Not just making sure this works.
Right.
It's not responsive enough at the moment, so I gotta change the code. That's why I'm trying to write my own code instead of relying on their mapping function.
Mm-hmm.
So,
And then what's the overall intention here?
of the whole circuit,
Yeah.
to turn on an outlet to power the compressor when the batteries are fully charged until
Sweet.
they're half charged.
Power dump, excuse me.
Yeah, that should be the power dump. Just making sure it turns off and on correctly and when it's supposed to.
Nice.
For the batteries. So I'm getting ready to try and make up a schematic so I can get it actually wired up and start taking some measurements to get a 3D box running for it.
Sweet.
So
Then we take it over to the 3D printer and
yeah, then there should be a nice little box that has this LED display and is all
Sweet.
nicely,
yeah, like
nicely
that.
done.
You got your LED set up
Yeah.
there.
Yeah,
Nice.
I'll have that so you know. That'll be on when the compressor is charged up or when the socket is, so you know that there's power going through it. So, because otherwise you wouldn't you'd have to, pull out a multimeter or something to see if the outlet's actually charged. If
Right
you
on.
needed to repair it or something's wrong with it or something. Figures just a safety.
And there's your hands-on, man. Programming and building the circuit board and everything.
Yeah, it's gonna go. This is the breadboard, or I call it like the little shield. It fits right over the Arduino, just like that. With some pins and just easy way to add accessories to it and make your own little circuit and everything to go with it. So.
And then you're actually programming.
Yeah, the software is right here, and still quite a bit of little things I'm going to change to it, but the basics of what it's doing now is what I want it to do, so
Nice.
I figure that's good.
All right, man.
Hey, that's a real close up
surprise,
there. How you doing there?
Surprise.
You never know when he's going to show up with that camera.
You're on video.
Doing pretty well. I think you're doing a nice job on the inverter.
Oh,
really good.
Well, thank you. Yeah.
I'm going to say hi to America. Right there is behind you.
Good morning, America, and all of those lovely ladies.
Nice. Well, we'll talk to you later.
Casey.
Nice. Casey.
Casey.
Yeah, I can hear the motor going down.
Temperature's gone now.
Down, way down.
And the speed of the motor because of the clouds.
What's that?
93.
That's gone down though.
Yeah,
It's clouds.
Or,
pretty much one for our amperage. Volts, we got 18.8. Solution is 212. It's kind of moving back and forth. Let's go 212.
yeah, I was gonna say, so we got one more to go. Incidence is 30, whatever it was, it's 53 degrees.
Yeah, sorry. Just double check. Yeah, 53.
And I keep, there's not enough to shoot it, so I guess we just rack it back and go. One more.
Yeah, Joe.
Yeah, so it's just a frame. We were going to use foam board, but we're using a different kind of plastic now. And it's just it's pretty basic. It's just about a 1/4 inch thick, about 25 width, 28 long, and we're using 2 CPU fans, 12-volt CPU fans, to cool the back of the panels.
Nice.
Yeah, and so we got this little pretty basic design sketch up here. We'll go over to the 3D printer later on today and print that out. It should turn out looking remotely similar to what I drew up here after many hours of learning AutoCAD, that's for sure.
Nice.
So, yeah.
Cool.
Nothing crazy, basic, but that's what we need right now.
How's it looking?
Looks great.
Good, yeah.
I'm gonna zoom in on it. I'll see.
Looks like the model.
Hey, very nice. So now you bust it off of there and
Yep.
Yeah, how does that work?
So now you just, it's a lot easier when it's warm.
Yeah.
So you can kind of crack it a little bit. In theory.
Okay. And that's just cracking the...
It's just getting the support,
support.
off. It's hot.
Is it?
there you go.
There it is.
Sweet.
So then just dip this in that stuff, or... Even if I lose it, it's not the end of the world.
Zero so fast. Take off the the backing material.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, that's no problem. That's gonna work fine.
All right, here we go.
You know what I could use? I have one already wired up with the electric bill.
Air's in the flow, good. Nothing's gonna
crack on you.
Yeah, since I'm known.
Hold the fender on, going down the road at 70. Yeah, yeah. I already had a fucking lease for trail.
Oh, huh? Nice.
It'll actually make more laying down flat than just standing up.
Oh yeah, because it's facing.
You need a screwdriver to light them up?
No, it's going in great.
Good.
Private industry, especially you got. Show me why and sure. Here you go.
Cooling these panels with the computer fans. At least that's that.
It's pretty slick.
Yeah, it is.
When that charge controller, when it goes below, the fan shut off.
Yep.
It's
Sweet, man.
we didn't even design that. It was just in there.
Cool.
You know what, Rachel? Let me grab those and put them over here because that falls on that battery. Are we getting ready to button up the trailer and get rid of tools?
Well, yeah, definitely take your tools out.
Okay.
How much is it dripping?
See it there?
Look at that. That's pretty big.
It's amazing there was that much in that channel.
I know.
Let's see how that works in just a minute.
Yeah, yeah. But what we did is we, all these lines right here, you can stack a bunch of DC lines in there, as long as they're all DC. So we stacked all of those, they'll come right into that box. And
Cooling fans are off because of the voltage.
But so for the dump
Need it.
load, we just ran one more set of wires right to this. But we
cooling at
cleaned
this
it up.
point.
There's no lugs back there that are hanging out and taped over. It's all exactly what it needs to be.
These are generating capacity.
Alright, let's
How's this thing work, guys? Panel drops. Like those piano hinges in there or whatever. Or not, that's not, that's a...
They still running?
Folds right back against the wall. Very nice. Sweet design, you guys.
That's how it stores.
Excellent.
So are they solid?
Yeah, Tim's trying to hide.
Where's Will at?
Tim's trying to hide. What a goober.
All right, say big sky. Yeah, nice. Okay, here we go. Who's gonna these faces?
You're gonna get a picture of the picture being taken? Yeah, nice.